The Mirror of Eraser era. Really bad with things. So here you go. This is the look of it. Okay, this is what it says right here in the back. The Mirror of Erase, I know I say it wrong, sorry, gleaming with a silver surface will reveal your heart's most deepest desire, reflecting visions born not of reality, but of yearning alone. High quality base water fountain. There you go. So, and it even has it on the top. This is interesting. Look at how that ink is. That is interesting. All right, there you go. So it's going to have a little bit like a green kind of look to it. So that's going to be nice. There you go. Okay. Oh, and here you go. Okay, what is the motto on the outside? It is the motto of the school. Motto of the school. Okay, this one is already open. And the plastic's already starting to go right here. So, giving that heads up, and this is the Golden Snitch. Okay, all right, cool. There you go, it says Harry Potter. That's that, the Golden Snitch. And you can actually see the Golden Snitch. Yeah. Okay. Mine has a little bit of gold right there on the side, but it won't matter because I'll be using it. So, the Golden Snitch. The tally glimpse of gold amongst the roaring backdrop of Quidditch game. Reach out and bring a golden taste of victory back into your house with a catch of an exclusive Golden Snitch. Boom. Last one, and the box is damaged. Like I said, wasn't going to be treated with gloves. Okay, so this is the Sorcerer's Stone. Maybe it's the other people who, get paid will have the nicer boxes, some sort of gift wrapping. Oh, this is cracked. It's fine. As long as this bottle's not cracked, we're good. 3. Interesting. 3. Must be the third one out. Okay, so here you go. This is actually really nice. This is a really nice red. Whoo! That is pretty. Wow. Okay, I like this red. I'm not usually a red person. I don't even know what I would even use this for, but it almost kind of looks like a remembrance ball. Dudes, this is almost like a remembrance ball. Oh. Okay. Yeah. So there you go. So on the box, you have the flying keys, and you have the Sorcerer's Stone, because the way how you get over to it to get to the stone. I wonder if you're going to do that with the others, if you do that as a future thing. Depends on how much you guys made with this one, I know. Purple, I'm telling you. Okay. The Sorcerer's Stone, a special blood stone with astonishing powers to transform metal into gold and create an elixir of life, or so they say. High quality, water-based. Boom. There you go. Looks really cool. And now you get to see the back. All right, see right there? Oh, wizarding chest. Boom. Very smart. Good job. And then we have the sides. What do they have it? It's more detailed than the other ones. The other ones did have like Quidditch on it, but this one definitely has more. The eraser one did not. It was just mirror, which was, kind of like one of the fears. Okay, the Dabbler pen. Cool. Let's see. No, it's not. No, I already did the Dabbler pen. I had ordered this one, the calligraphy pen. They consider this the first step one. Was it for pens, the Dabbler pen? This is like intermediate one. Pen with the ink. I went ahead and wanted the Ravenclaw one because that's my house. And does it say showcase your creativity? Exactly the same on the back, same as the ink, same as the Dabbler pen for the look of it. Yep. I just got a little bit scared when I saw it. Okay, cool. Yep. We're good now. The Presence. All right, we'll see. Okay, so you ready? Pull this out. It is upside down. No, it's not. No. Okay, cool. Alrighty. So, all right, the leather pen holder. There you go. Let's unscrew this part. Interesting, because I thought this was going to be just as bright silver as that is. Huh. Well, color me. You wait, you wait, you wait, and then you see it, and it's... Let's stop this one, and we will go forward.